The wrists and hands are often a neglected part of our body, so it's important to warm them up properly. I took this straight from gold medal bodies. So to begin, we're going to get in the quadruped position. So we'll get into the quadruped position. So I got my knees under my hips and my wrists underneath my shoulders. First thing I'm going to do is spread my fingers wide, actively push the floor away. So the first exercise that we're going to do is wrist circles. So from this position, I'm going to rock my body forward and back, keeping all parts of my hand in contact with the mat. So do 5 circles one way, and then from there you're going to do 5 circles in the other direction. Now you can bring yourself more forward with your weight, and that'll put more of a stretch into the wrist, or just listen to your body and find where you're feeling that good stretch. The next move that we're going to do is from this same position, we're going to turn our hands out to the side. Spread the fingers wide. And from here, we're going to rock side to side about 5 to 10 times each way. Same thing here. The more you bring your weight over to one side, the more you're going to feel the stretch. Once again, keep all points of contact of the hand in contact with the ground. The next one after that is fingers back. Try to get the heel of the palm on the ground. The closer your hands are to your knees, the easier the stretch will be. So first maybe start back there before you start getting crazy with it. From this position, keeping the elbows locked out, you're going to rock back, keeping the heel of the palm on the ground. And then the last one of this sequence is the back of the palm. This one I'm actually going to bring my knees a little bit closer because it's a little bit harder for me. Walk out the elbows. And this one, be very gentle with yourself. Same thing here, you're going to rock back and forth about 5 to 10 times there. Next one that we're going to do is, this is going to kind of warm up the whole entire complex here, is the pit of our elbow. We're going to start with it back and then rotate it forward. It's about 5 to 10 of those as well. And then finally, what we're also going to do is keep the fingers on the ground, and we're going to pick the heel off the ground. So this is going to be an excellent stretch for the fingertips. Once again, about 5 to 10 reps to that. And then just to kind of complete it all, we're going to make tight fist, spread the fingers. Tight fist, and spread the fingers. Same thing, about 5 to 10 reps of that.